This is new. This is something that you probably hadn't seen before. Shiba Inu can now be moved anonymously. If you don't know what that means, here's what it really means. If you have a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and you want to move tokens or coins from, say, that wallet to another wallet, there's a record of that movement on the blockchain. And if you don't want that movement to be tracked or noticed, that's what this video is about. This is something that is new. I just saw this. So here we go. You can now move SHIB anonymously, say that really fast, using the Bermuda Privacy dApp. Bermuda is a non-custodial, I can't talk today, privacy dApp recently announced its support for Shiba Inu. As per the announcements, users will now be able to transfer SHIB to other wallets without disclosing their personal wallet address during the transfer process. This provides a level of privacy for users' transactions. So this is something that's kind of a big deal, right? So this goes to privacy, things of that nature. Are these kind of murky waters? Depends on who you want to ask. There's some people who says that everything should be written to the blockchain, and there's some people who just want privacy. What are your thoughts? But now, leveraging this new Bermuda dApp, you can now hide that transfer. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you want to learn more about Clear, links in the description below. Check them out. Run it through your own due diligence. Absolutely fantastic company. Great crypto channel here. Subscribe for more content. We'll see you. Bye.